What if I told you that the biggest danger with artificial intelligence isn't killer robots? It's not a robot uprising. And it's not even AI becoming smarter than humans. The real danger is already happening quietly, invisibly, behind your screen. Today, we're diving into the dark side of AI nobody talks about. Not the sci-fi stuff, the real-world threats affecting your privacy, your job, your mind, and your future. Stay till the end, because the last one is the scariest. Every click, every swipe, every message, every movement online, AI is tracking it. Not to harm you, but to predict you, your behavior, desires, fears, psychology. Companies use AI-powered tracking systems to study your personality, your habits, your buying patterns, your emotional state, your weaknesses. This is called surveillance capitalism. And the scariest part? You agreed to it by pressing accept all cookies. AI can now clone your face, your voice, your mannerisms in less than 3 minutes. And criminals already use it to scam families, fake politicians, spread misinformation, destroy reputations, create fake evidence. We're entering a world where seeing is no longer believing. When truth becomes optional, society breaks. People think AI will help us work. But companies think differently. AI never sleeps. AI doesn't need health insurance. AI doesn't complain. AI doesn't take vacations. Industries at risk. Customer support. Video editing. Graphic design. Programming. Accounting. Legal research. Data entry. Writers and content creators. This isn't in the future, it's already happening. TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram run emotion detection algorithms. AI understands what makes you stay, what makes you angry, what keeps you addicted, what makes you click. Your For You page isn't entertainment. It's a psychological trap to keep you on the app. You're not choosing content. AI is choosing it for you. AI can be brilliant, confident, convincing, and completely wrong. AI doesn't know truth, it predicts probability. Which means it can give false medical advice, invent fake facts, or confidently lie without realizing it. And people follow blindly. People assume AI is neutral. But AI learns from humans. Humans are biased. Therefore, AI becomes biased. Studies show AI discriminates based on gender, race, income, location, appearance, language. If AI is used in hiring, loans, or policing, bias becomes dangerous. AI-generated ads and chatbots can tailor messages perfectly to your personality, meaning it can influence your politics, manipulate your beliefs, push your emotions, shape your worldview, and you might never realize it. This is psychological warfare, and it's already being used. The final danger isn't AI ending humanity. It's humans using AI irresponsibly. AI is a tool, a powerful one. It can build or destroy civilization. The question is, who controls it? Who writes its values? Who decides how far it goes? AI can change the world for the better, but only if we understand its risks. If you want more videos like this, hit like, subscribe, and comment. Should we be afraid of AI?